Welcome to our Tech Industry channel. Let's start the video. In this video, we are going to discuss about neural networks. Neural networks are computing system inspired by biological neural networks. As you can see in this image, that the input layer takes the data and processes it in the hidden layer. Then the hidden layer gives an output in the output layer. So in this way the neural network works. So we're going to discuss this because we are going to make a neural network car in future, and it will be based on full Python script. So our brain contains lots of neurons, and they share the data with each other and process the data and give commands to different organs in our body. So in the same way neural network works. So the things are done by machines, and in future videos we're going to learn how to build neural networks in Python and opencv. So let's discuss something about the neural network car which I built. So it is completely based on Python and opencv. It takes the data and processes the data and gives commands to the car. So like in Python script we have TensorFlow, which is basically used for neural network. So in opencv, when we input the data and process the data and finds that the data is somewhere there in between the road. So if the data exists in the road, it detects the man and predicts the data. So in this way neural network works. So my neural network car is based on Python. My neural network car is based on Raspberry Pi and its camera. The camera detects the object and sends the data to Arduino. So the thing which was built in Raspberry Pi is with Python. The Python script. So the Python script analyzes the data and tells the car to move in which direction. So basically this was fully based on opencv, tensorflow, etc. So in future videos we will learn how to build this neural network car. Stay tuned for getting more updates. Please subscribe and share this video.